bigger clans tend to have more tartans. Either they wanted more option, or the clan chief approved multiple tartans. I'll use Stuart as a for instance. You'll have Stuart of Ardshiel, or Stuart of Appin, or Stuart of Atoll. You'll have Stuart, the name Stuart, that live in different sections of Scotland. And then you'll have the Stuart of Atoll Tartan, or the Stuart of Appin Tartan for that section.
Right.
And then there's also the color variations of a tartan, meaning modern, weathered, muted, ancient, which are just basically the exact same design, just the colors are either lighter or more pastel or darker and more modern and that kind of thing.
Yeah, basically that's to give guys more options, because not everybody wants to have the exact same tartan as their brothers in the clan, basically.
If a clan has two tartans, a red one and a green one, often the green one will be referred to as the hunting tartan, not necessarily because they're actually out there hunting in it, but because it's more toned down, muted, darker colors would be more suitable for hunting, so they would just use a name like hunting tartan to differentiate it from the red or clan tartan.
And that goes back. That also goes back to the Victorians with the basically when you had the great hunting estates in the Highlands, basically during the Victorian Age. When you're going to your country place for the extended weekend or whatever, you were going to wear more toned down, relaxed clothing. When you were in the city, aka London, then you'd have a more bright tartan that you'd be wearing for more formal functions, or Edinburgh. But so hunting was definitely a concept, I guess, more than actually hunting in it. Although they did do that too.